Today on Shop Nation, we built a wheelchair ramp for dogs. Just kidding, it's an outdoor access ramp to get in and out of a screened-in porch, complete with a little flippy door. You guys like your ramp? You guys like your ramp? What's up, you guys? I'm Travis, this is Shop Nation. Today we're gonna knock out a quick project to solve a simple problem that's gonna allow my small dogs to get in and out of the screened-in porch without having to go down the stairs. You see, the screened-in porch behind our house has these stairs to come down, but I can't quite put a dog door in that these little guys, who are vertically challenged, can get in and out of very easily. Now you can see I've already put in a dog door on the door that is to our laundry room, but once they get into the screened-in area, the only solution I have right now is to prop the door open to get them out, but that kind of defeats the purpose of having a screened-in porch. So the best solution that I've come up with is to build a platform and ramp and then put a dog door in the screen itself so they can get in and out of the porch area. Now the build itself should be pretty straightforward. I'm gonna use all outdoor rated materials. I'm gonna use treated lumber for the supports and the frame. And for the top surface, I'm gonna use composite decking so I don't have to worry about it degrading and having to restain it every year. So the first step is let's go take some measurements of that area to know how big we need to make this contraption. So I think the angle might be too steep. My original height measurement was off. It's pretty much level with the screen. It doesn't have to be. So the only way I could see to fix this, that's sort of easy, is to shorten the legs and then add a riser at the bottom, because there's no reason why the ramp has to go all the way to the ground. The dogs are obviously at least this tall. They can just walk up here. So hopefully with those two changes, the ramp angle will be a little bit easier for the little dogs. When it's dry, it's probably not a big deal, but if it's wet or snowy or icy, that incline is going to become a problem, I think. So let's fix that. All right, so that angle looks a lot better. I'm still not loving that situation right there. I'll probably change that in the future so that it's not sitting on its edge. But for right now, it's gonna work. What's up, PETA? The only thing left for me to do now is to put the dog door in the screen itself, and then we're done. All right, dog door in the screen is in place. It was really easy to do. It was a little kit on Amazon. I think it was like 20 bucks. If you're interested, I'll link that in the description below. The dogs definitely have to get used to it when it comes to going out of the little dog door in the screen. For whatever reason, they just have to get used to that. I'd love to know what you thought about the project. This was back of the napkin type project for a Sunday afternoon. I definitely see things that I would change in the future, but I'm curious to hear what you have to say. The biggest unknown for me right now is when it rains or snows. I don't know if this is gonna be too slick. I may have to stick on grip tape or something to help with traction. Do you like your ramp? Come on. All right, that's gonna wrap up this project. I appreciate you for watching. This was a great example of me trying to wing it, thinking it's only gonna take a little bit of time, and then it ends up taking 2 to 3 times as much as I thought, and I'd have to go back and make changes. On a positive note, I did buy the exact amount of materials. I don't know if that's ever happened. Typically, I would be back and forth to Lowe's or Home Depot about 3 times by now, and I didn't have to go once. This is literally all of the offcuts. That never happens. So I'm gonna take that as a win. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you wanna see other content like this, I don't typically focus on dog content, go ahead and subscribe so that when the next video comes out, you're made aware. I will see you guys at the next short, hassle-free project, and as always, continue to pursue shop greatness.